This video is about how to use Mounjaro Pen. I will explain in this video, step by step, to make it easy for you, how to use the Mounjaro Pen. First of all, take the pen out of the refrigerator. Leave the gray base cap on the pen until you are ready to inject. Check the pen label to make sure you have the correct medication and dose, and the pen is not damaged or expired. Make sure the medication is not frozen, is not cloudy, is colorless, and does not contain any particles. Step number 1. Wash your hands and clean the injection site. You can inject the medicine into your abdomen or thigh. If you need to inject the medicine into the back of your upper arm, you may be able to do it yourself, but it is easier if someone helps you. Change the injection site every week. You can use the same body site, but be sure to choose a different injection site in that area. Step number 2. Pull off the gray base cap and make sure the pen is locked. Pull the gray base cap straight off and throw it in the household trash. Do not put the gray base cap back on the injection site, as this may damage the needle. Step number 3. Place the clear base flat against your skin at the injection site and unlock the pen by turning the locking ring. Step number 4. Press and hold the button for up to 10 seconds. Pay attention to the first click. This means that the injection has started. Then you will hear the second click and the gray plunger will be visible, which means that the injection is complete. Step number 5. After injection, place the used pen in a disposable sharps container and dispose it, according to the instructions provided with your pen. These are the complete list of procedures for using Mounjaro. However, your healthcare provider should demonstrate how to use the pen before you begin Mounjaro. And before injection, please read carefully the instructions for use that you received with your pen.